Hello guys and welcome to Racewars 2020, where we are at the starting line. There's Big Ben over there. And here we go. So today we're just doing the 400 and the 800, and then tomorrow we got the 1000. Look at this, what a beautiful day Albany's got for us. I'm lucky enough to be right at the starting line. I'm pretty stoked, it's going to be awesome. I'm actually flagging the burnouts this year, so that's going to be wicked. But there you go, right behind me. Oh man, I hope we see some records broken. There you go, yeah, look, this is Kyle! 3020! Yeah! Hey! Say g'day.
G'day, cunts.
Have you had kangaroo meat yet?
Not here, I've had it in Dubai actually.
Oh, cool. Well, it's better here. It's better here.
I'm sure it is.
This guy is so cool and tall. See, oh no, that's sweet. When you hear this ute on sing, it's amazing. This is a 408 cubic inch LS engine with a GT55 turbo, pumping some serious boost into it. Well over 1,000 horsepower. It did 292 kilometers per hour on a rolling 800. Absolutely insane. Warwick is a hell of a driver, as you get to see in a second. Eddie's GTO is always an awesome car to watch. As close it makes no difference, 3,000 real horsepower, Eddie's car makes it look effortless. Going down the 800 meters, doing 347 kilometers per hour only in the 800. He would have smashed the record this year, I have no doubt, and I can't wait for him to come back 2021 and break that national record. So after Eddie did that run, I went back, started flagging again, and didn't record because I was saving myself for the Sunday. Sunday didn't happen because the track got rained out. Doesn't matter. I had an amazing time. This is what the car scene is about. You get to meet people, you get to meet the cars, hear the stories, and watch them do some pretty amazing things. Amazingly or not, Eddie took out the 800 meters national title. Awesome stuff. Guys, look, I've put some videos of some cars in the back here at a car meet. Check them out. Weird and wonderful things in Australia. Got any questions? Hit me up, like what you're watching, subscribe. Simple as that.
Yeah, just